All right, Badlands Rebuild, here we are. We're looking at a 59 GMC single headlight 59 short box. I picked this pickup up about 5 years ago along the road. It's sitting on a 1989 Chevy C10 350 5.7 motor and tranny. Body's a little rough. I haven't really done much with the body. Let's get to do a walk around of this thing. We got dogs barking, roosters crowing. That's why we like it. Here's the rear end. It's a GMC 59 short step, half-ton pickup. Yeah, I don't know if it's rare or not, but it's kind of a different front end because it's a single headlight. Single headlight 59 with the same as the 55, the 59. Most of them are double headlights. This is a fleet. This is a GMC fleet. Pretty cool little truck. I just started it for a while. It starts and runs pretty good. I'm having trouble with it not wanting to recharge the battery. I don't know if I got a ground or something bad, but I put a new tank in it. I kind of just put this jack and bucket on there because it's missing the step sides on it. Some of the fleets didn't come with step sides, so I put step side, just put a jack on this side with a bucket. Then I put a fancy dancy water cooler on this side, functioning water cooler. This is bolted in. And for the bed, I put a 30-gallon Blazer tank underneath it. I just mounted this on top. The filler's over here. I got it right there on the floor. I got it covered because I don't know if it'll leak down in there or not. I just want to be safe so I don't get water in that new tank. Pretty cool little truck. We'll open up the inside. I don't know if the door will open the hood. Here's the inside of the pickup. Did have rust up here that we cut out. It's kind of more of a rat rod. It's never going to be perfect, but this is all original pickup. Showing mileage 102,886. Could be 1,000,02886. Maybe it's only 2,000. Maybe this pickup only has 2,000 miles on it. No, I highly doubt it. But here's the look of the dash and stuff. The window's got a crack in the middle. Yeah, it's been just kind of a project I've had. Had it for 5 years. It did not come with a dome light. The fleets didn't, and they did not come with a radio. But this seat come out of an old van that was at the dump, so I just took the seat. It was laying out there and we just welded it in here and we put it on the bracket so it does slide, the original track. See my cool window cranks over there, my door handles or vice grips, because just haven't gotten around to getting any of them. And see, it's got here, it's got tilt, it's got tilt and cruise. Okay, maybe not cruise, I probably unhooked it, but we'll do a glimpse of when I first did it. I had all the headlights and everything working because I had the original frame, so all the directionals and everything worked. I just put this body on the other body. We notched the frame and it worked pretty good. I had all the lights working, then also started blowing fuses. So what I did was I just ran some running lights. I do have directionals and everything, but I just put some old implement lights on there for running lights, and then I still got the outside lights for directionals. I had an old Jeep like that. It seems to work, so you're legal driving down the road. We'll get a look at the motor here if I can lift it up with one hand. I just got it kind of mounted there and down here. We might need to take a pause and come back and show you the motor and stuff. Running and this and that. So there she goes. Easy up. There's what it looks like when it's tipped. I about fell and broke my leg. That's what it looks like when it's tipped up and down. You can get right in here on the motor. There's no fenders on this truck. Master cylinder, we just mounted through there. We just bolted the reservoirs on there. Yeah, everything seems to work on the truck. It's a good motor and good tranny. Just it's got some I still got the computer in there, so it's got some ghosts. Like I did this, still got the first aid kit in here. Original first aid kit. We got the tank out. I just put some old, we got a little rust on the floors, but we took an old bed liner that somebody gave me and we just cut some notches out and put in there. We mounted the computer down underneath here like this, which I don't know if that's a mistake because I think I got it ground because it doesn't always want to start and doesn't want to stay charged. So we might have to go back to the old school. Right now it's throttle body, but I think we might need to go back to get rid of the throttle body and go back to just carbureted. You know, I did put a new fuel pump in it and it's got new tires on it. We'll see if we can see the exhaust underneath there. It's got an all new drive shaft. It's got a Ford drive shaft with the Chevy U-joints. We put 2 little mufflers right here. There's the new tank right underneath there. Yeah, here's our weld job. Not real good, but it ain't gonna go very far, I don't think. This is pretty much an in-town work truck. We'll shut the hood back up. We'll give you a look at that. I don't know. I thought my plan to put it on that 89 was a great idea, but it just hasn't run quite. I mean, the motor runs great, but I'm just having trouble with the charging system. This is how it looks when snapping on. It's got some pops there. And I just snap it on like that, and I screw it down in here because I really don't care if there's rust on it. This is 100% 1959 original body. Nothing's been done to this body. It's 100% short box. So you can see my frame's a little bit too short. It's got a pretty closer gap to the back, but I don't really care, you know. I was just trying to make a cool little runaround truck, you know, just something nobody's seen before. You can see the gap on the wheel fenders. I think I went 114 inches. I probably should have went probably 120. I might be too close in the front. The cab's just bolted on right now, so it could go through, could probably pull it all off again and get a little bit better and straighter. But that's what I got right now. You know, I haven't been doing too many videos because I've been working on my house. We did a lot of work on the roof, the siding, and everything from our hail. But there it is. Tell me what you think. Do I put a bumper on the front, or like a wood bumper, just leave it? And 1989. Here it is running. It'll run for a while really smooth. Sounds really good. And then it'll just shut off. Like it'll run for a couple minutes and then she just shuts off like that. So I don't know what it's doing, what's causing that, but it'll fire right back up. I don't know if it's a ground or just having troubles with the computer and stuff. So yeah, this is a pretty good old truck. It's a pretty cool old truck because I still got the keys to it, so the door is still locked on this truck, which I did find a title for it. I don't know if I can see it. There it is. There's the key, and the door still, you can still lock this pickup up. Let's go over the front one more time. 1959 single headlight GMC fleet. Single headlight, key to that. Have you ever seen one? Comment, click, share, like, subscribe. I've done about 28 videos. This one here has been sitting around for a while, but single headlight 59. Is it rare? Let me know. Okay, rebuilds, I also want to mention that I have the original frame for this 59. I did keep the frame, so if a guy really wanted to get carried away and go back to putting her 100% back to original, the frame, I got both bumpers in the frame sitting here. This is the 89 pickup cab sitting on it, but I do have the original frame, as you can see. So I mean, I could always go back and throw that, you know, start putting another motor and tranny in this frame. You know, that's a lot of work, and we still got an old vehicle, but I do still have that, and it is a 59. I think the frame is a 55, a 1955 through 59 frame are the same short box. I think I do have all the hubcaps, original rims and hubcaps. They say GMC on them. It's kind of cool. I believe I have all 4 of them. So yeah, just do some comment and share. What do you think I should do? Should I go back to original? I mean, let me know.